at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head.
Hey, it's your girl twalacole, aka Sister Cole. How's my beautiful fam doing? I hope that you are having an awesome day. You guys know what I need you to do. I need you to like, share, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up, okay? Because these things help me to get out there in those YouTube streets. Let's get into this video. Here we go. Mackerel and tomato sauce with rice and vegetables. Deliciosis. This is canned mackerel. Do you guys eat canned mackerel? It's good. A lot of these canned meats, you can make nice dishes out of them. Look at that, how that looks. You can do it with corned beef. You can do it with the mackerels, tuna. You can make a whole meal, quick and easy meal. Look, that looks like gourmet cooking right there. That's from a can. I really need to get myself a MacBook because I use my phone to do my videos, but my phone is not compatible with my laptop. So, you know what? I'm working, even though I do everything from the phone, but there's times when I want to do some stuff on the laptop because I feel like I'll probably be more creative on the laptop. But I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. Even with running out of space on my phone, if I get a Mac, I can download all my pictures on the laptop. I know you guys do this already, but hello, some people are slow to the ball game, you know? And I really like editing. And I feel like if I had my stuff more together, my editing would just it would be better because I really like it, and I could probably do a lot. I just need to get all the pieces together. I don't necessarily think that I need a camera because the phone is working just fine. However, I need the phone and my computer to be compatible because I feel like I could really go crazy with the editing, you know, if I had a Mac. So I don't know, what do you guys use? What do you use to do your video? Guys, guess what I got back today? Guess what package came for me today? So the other day when I had ordered the Coach Trekker 52 bag, I ordered a purse as well because I wanted to kind of have like a set or a theme, you know, the bag, the Trekker bag with the purse, but I don't think I'm going to carry this purse with me because I forgot I had ordered a little clear bag, which is a crossbody. And when it comes, I'll show you guys, which is a crossbody, and it's just very easy. It's very light. and it can pretty much go with all my outfits, you know, because it's going to be very casual. And I did not want the responsibility, not really responsibility, but then I'm like, I'm not going to be carrying 5 and 6 bags. Yeah, I'm not going to be carrying 5 and 6 bags to match all these outfits. So, I'm trying to be smarter so that I don't overpack. So I'm going to, carry less shoes, or it maybe I'll get a clear shoe that matches with everything. Then it'll match with the bag, and like I said, a clear shoe will go with everything. So I'm just like, just trying to let the wheels turn, and where I can pack smarter. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, I just be doing too much sometimes. I be doing too much. The last time I traveled to spend some time with my sister, and honestly, I ended up paying like $100 more for my bag because it was too much. It weighed too much, and I'm not trying to do that this time. So I'm trying to be smarter. Okay, ooh, she's a beaut. All right, so this is the bag that I got from Coach. How cute is she? She's a little bit lighter than the Trekker 52. But she's cute. I will definitely get some wear out of her. This actually looks very similar to the bag I bought the other day, honestly. What was it now? The Anne Klein bag that I bought the other day. It's very similar. But here it is. It has the crossbody. It has the a zip in the back, a component in the back of this right here, component in the back. Again, the crossbody. And the inside is just pretty regular. The inside is pretty regular, and it just has this little fold right here where you can put, your phone and stuff like that. Your phone and maybe some cards. And then it's just basic. And then the rest of it just opens up. So it's a very basic bag, a crossbody. Here's the tag. The little component there in the back. And the front has this little emblem right there. So this is very cute. You can wear this when you go shopping. When you're going out, throw it around in a crossbody look and just go. When you're going out, you're not, I wouldn't say this is like a dress up bag. Just say more like it's casual. It's just like a casual bag. So it's really cute. I like it. However, like I said, it looks a lot like the Calvin Klein bag that I have, but I'm sure I'll get some use out. All right, you guys. So I just wanted to, talk and to maybe encourage somebody out there, I don't know. When I do these little talks, I don't know if it's something that you guys want to see or not. So you guys can put it below in the comment. Do you like these little talks or these words of encouragement is what we're living in a time right now where it's just crazy. It's just crazy. It's just so much going on. So much going on in the news. A lot of, just if it's not the news, it's in our neighborhoods, it's in our environments, maybe it's with our mind, maybe it's issues with the family or finances or whatever it is, maybe it's issues with your own self. Like it just could be so many things, right? And if you're not careful, you can really find yourself depressed, or you can find yourself sad, or just like confused, or just where you're like, I've had enough. I've just had enough. I can't deal with this, I always tell people, listen, you have to take it one step at a time. And you have to always make sure you are maintaining yourself, with love, with kind words, you understand? with structure, with goals, and you approach each one of these tools that you implement to help yourself, you approach it with the concept of one day or one step at a time, because you don't want to overwhelm yourself, because when you overwhelm yourself, you feel anxious and you feel like nothing is being done or you can't do a certain thing. But when you take one step at a time, one day at a time, you allow yourself, you understand, room. You allow yourself space. You allow yourself room to approach what it is that you're trying to do or you're trying to achieve. Okay, and you know, always, don't be in a race with no one else. You know what I'm saying? Just be in a race with yourself at your own pace, because everybody is different and everybody do things different and everybody's goal is not the same, right? So sometimes we try, we may look at somebody else and we see, oh my goodness, look how this person look, or look what this person is doing, or look what they are achieving, or they're doing more than me, or they're achieving more than what I am or what I have done. Why is this, that, blah, blah, blah. We do all of those things, right? But at the end of the day, you can't, don't look. Don't look at what somebody else is doing. Don't look at somebody else's pace. You understand? Be in a race with yourself. Take it one day at a time. And you know what? Also celebrate your accomplishments. Celebrate your accomplishments, because many times we don't do that. We don't celebrate the goals that we achieve. We don't celebrate, the milestones that we have reached. You understand? And when you don't do that, then you're in a space to where you're not recognizing, what you've done. You don't recognize it, and that's not good. You need to take time out to celebrate yourself. Don't wait for someone to celebrate you. Celebrate yourself, because when you celebrate yourself and you acknowledge, you know what, I did an awesome job. I did a great job. I'm so proud of myself. It gives you the wind to move on. To your next step, to your next plan. You know what I'm saying? So that is very important to do. And another thing is too, don't be in competition of society norms, or what the society feels that we should act like or look like, or whatever the case may be. You be the best version of yourself. Be the best version of yourself. Yes, ma'am. You understand? You don't ever be like, well, I'm gonna wait until I look this way, or I want to wait until I look that way, or I want to wait until I do this, until I do that, because when I get there, then I'm going to. No. You guess what? You do what you can do with what you have. You understand what I'm saying? Be the best version of yourself now. N-O-W. You know what I'm saying? And as you go along, you get better. That's great. But never, you understand, be like, oh, I don't look this way now. My body doesn't look this way now. So, that I'm the worst thing. And no, don't ever do that. You be the best version of yourself this instant, this moment, and now. You understand? And love yourself. Love yourself for you. You understand? Don't look at somebody else or look at the society norms and trying to gauge yourself with that. You understand? Because guess what? At the end of the day, society don't know what they want. You understand? They don't know, what's what. You understand? So love yourself for you. Love yourself now. Be the best version of yourself now. Okay? Don't forget, you guys, you are truly blessed. You are truly highly favored. Yes, you are. Okay? And until we meet again, mwah, mwah, mwah.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really